Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the MSI Aegis Z gaming desktop, a powerhouse machine that promises to elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Performance. At the heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen R7-7700 processor, a stellar choice for gamers and content creators alike. With its multi-core performance and high clock speeds, it handles everything from intensive gaming sessions to demanding applications with ease. The GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card is equally impressive, delivering stunning visuals and smooth frame rates for an immersive gaming experience. Whether you're exploring expansive open worlds or engaging in fast-paced action, this combination ensures you won't miss a beat. Memory and storage. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM, the Aegis Z allows for seamless multitasking and lightning-fast loading times. Plus, the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD provides ample storage for your game library and quick access to files, so you can say goodbye to long load screens. This SSD not only enhances your gaming experience but also allows for speedy file transfers, making it ideal for video editing and other resource-intensive tasks. Power and efficiency. The 80+ Gold PSU guarantees high efficiency and reliability, ensuring that your system runs smoothly without any hiccups. This means you can game with confidence, knowing that the power supply can handle the demands of high-performance components. Connectivity and usability. The Aegis Z comes Wi-Fi ready, so you can enjoy fast and reliable internet connectivity for online gaming without the hassle of cables. Plus, it includes a keyboard and mouse, making it a complete package for gamers who want to dive straight into action without additional purchases. DIY friendly. One of the standout features of this gaming desktop is its DIY-friendly design. MSI has made it easy for users to upgrade or customize their setup, making this a great option for gamers who want to keep their systems up to date. This level of flexibility is a significant advantage, especially for tech enthusiasts who enjoy tinkering with their hardware. Conclusion. In summary, the MSI Aegis Z gaming desktop is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their gaming experience. With its powerful Ryzen processor, top-tier RTX graphics, ample memory and storage, and user-friendly design, this desktop checks all the boxes. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Aegis Z will undoubtedly meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you're interested in upgrading your gaming setup, I highly recommend considering the MSI Aegis Z. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Happy gaming!